Hello and welcome to yet another video. I'm going to cover two important stocks or very powerful patterns which are forming on the stocks in India market. You have to stay till the end to see what I'm like to share with you both on technical charts as well as some fundamental details so that you can make your own decision. Again, clear disclaimer that I am just sharing my learning here, what I'm studying on it. You make your own decision on buy and sell, but stay till the end and also do share what is your learning at the end. And let me go straight into the stocks itself and walk you through in this short video. So the first stock which we will be talking about in this pattern is very important, is a formation which is happening is transformer and rectifier. Again, you can see the chart here on trading view, and if you don't have access to trading view, you're probably missing something. Again, this is a monthly chart, and you can simply go into sbhatia.co slash trading view and you can create a free account, and that will be just 1 minute. Yeah, sbhatia.co slash trading view, and you can create a free account here which will take you a few minutes to set up, right? And you don't have to pay anything, is everything is what I'm using. I have a paid version, but I'm showing you in the free version so that you can understand that you can still do that. And there are some videos on my playlist. You can learn trading view there, but today let's focus on transformer and rectifier, which is basically having a multi-year breakout. And you can see here the stock, and you can see the blue line here. The stock has formed a nice breakout after 2010 July, and ever since it had listed, it has not even break even to the listing price. And that this is a monthly chart, by the way, and the analysis which we are doing on the weekly basis, but I want to show you on monthly basis to understand the trend, what's going on, right? And I will come to the weekly basis, but first try to understand on monthly basis why it is important. Transformer rectifier is basically is into building the transformer, as the name suggests. And as you know, the power sector is also in kind of they create two transformers and switch gears. Both are used in the power sector, and at the moment that's in trend, and that's where the demand is. And obviously with the India itself growing, and this sector is in a positive territory. You're seeing that where they're all spread across where they supply the transformers. So it is a one of the critical components from the power sector point of view, and something is changing, and fundamental triggers I will cover later. But because it is common in radar, you have to understand and respect the market analysts and market participants, because it is now moved from low of 6 rupees and has become almost 64 rupees. And can you imagine, it has become a 10 bagger already. And then what is making it to move? You have to study the fundamental triggers to it. Now if you see the this company itself, look at it from on the monthly chart. It's moved up in a huge volume. And if I just open some bit of its fundamental as well, so that we can cover the bit of it. um, so from weekly basis, monthly basis, 3 months, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, it has been a outperformer, and it is also showing from the nearby. Again, I don't clear disclaimer, I don't hold any position at this moment, but I look to buy when it is bit cooling off. And slightly I will look into weekly chart basis, because here in peaceful weekend investing we tend to invest in we don't run to try to chase stocks. We want to let the stocks comes to us. At this point, based on the 10 moving average, 10 week and 30 week, you can see it's slightly run up a bit. So I will wait for it. After this inside bar, it has already gone up, so I will wait for it and then try to make position and hold on and try and keep adding up based on how it is going. And first target is 93.90 thereabouts, but that's nice base formation, kind of a little bit of VCP formation, and then you have stock has become like almost 2x from the lows. So that's the first stock. Again, they are into engaging in manufacturing and marketing of transformers, and offer a range of transformers such as power, orders for space, reactors, distributor furnaces, rectifiers, transformers, and they all And the company has established themselves in 1994 and headquartered in Ahmedabad, India. And more on this I will be covering up as it's trending up. But for now, I think it is, and I think the from the shareholding pattern, let's go to the BSC website. I think I've opened it. No. um, BSC transformer rectifier, and you can see here. Let's open here. So, but keep in mind one thing which I want to cover is the float. Market float is only 214 crores in Indian rupees, and market cap itself is less than $1,000. So it is obviously small cap and can be a bit riskier. So keep that particular thing. And PV is right now in 52.54, which also suggests that is on the higher side. And this is important for you to make a note of it. Hope you're finding it useful. If you're liking this content, do give a thumbs up and smash the like button. And also subscribe to the channel if you're new to my channel, because I keep coming up with the regular videos around it to make your investing journey more successful and be able to share my understanding in this market. I'm still a learner, but I would love to hear from you as well. So let's get going. And again, from the revenue point of view, quickly, here is a snapshot of it. You can see is just let me try and see if I can grab my pen so I can make you focus there. Just hold a sec, it will not take a minute. Yeah. So revenue in June quarter is 200. And what is important here is they have made an announcement, and that announcement is very interesting, right? Um, the if you see here, there's an announcement for order of, they've received an award. And important is their revenue pattern here, right? And their net profit margin is low, but I think they'll be, as the operating lever kicks in, because they have good order book. And let me quickly share with you the announcement they made. So companies say that they have received two orders. They've received two orders, and those two orders are of 145 crores from well-known Indian company. And if I quickly look at their this announcement which is done, and this announcement is very interesting for me to see what is coming up there is yeah. So you see what they're saying. Company have an order book of 1521 crores. So they have a good, strong, healthy order book based on what they have 1,000 crores market cap, which you have to keep in mind. Okay, so that's one of the stock which is coming out as a multi-year breakout, and I will definitely look for opportunity to add, but after a bit of an cooling off, and with the target, which is first target becomes 93, and then thereafter we'll assess it. But right now I'm not giving any recommendation. This is the action plan for me, but I thought I will share with you guys. Okay, moving to the second stock. Second stock is Action Construction, and again, this Action Construction is one of the best in the business and into cranes. So you can see here a weekly chart here. um, they are okay, so they are actually expanding in machine heavy line in Ghana. So Action Construction is um, 1 minute, let me quickly, yeah. So Action Construction is into the business of engaging in manufacturing and sales of cranes. And because of the all the activity has gone up in terms of construction, they have various types of cranes, which is hydraulic mobile cranes, mobile tower cranes, crawler cranes, truck mounted cranes, material handling equipments like forklift. So it's all used in construction. And as you can see here, there's a clear interesting pattern which has formed here on the charts, and that is what making me more interesting here. Is Let me grab my pen and I'll walk you through. So it formed a nice base and kind of have a cup and handle pattern, and now it's breaking out from here, which is very much kind of a cup and handle sort of pattern here, which you can see that. So it's around 296.75 now as I'm speaking for this particular week on 30th of October 2022. So keep that in mind which when you're watching this video later on as well. So again, from technical point, it is saying that it's a neutral, but again, keep I'll keep this in radar because it is definitely stock to watch and it has been a wealth creator by itself. So you can see here from the trend from both weekly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year to date, and 1 year, it has been positive territory. And if I look at a monthly chart, which also is one of the important things for me to analyze, it is almost it is all-time high territory. Again, what is negative for it is way above the 10 months moving average, but again, you have to have your own strategy of buying and selling, which I don't want to share. I'm only sharing the stocks which I am finding it interesting at this point. Again, this is a monthly chart, so with after this formation, I think there is good runway ahead. So keep a watch on this stock. So two stocks we covered. One is a transformer rectifier. Another one is Action Construction. So those two stocks will be in my radar. Again, let's quickly check on it. What is Action Construction market cap? Action Construction Equipment to be precise. So they have a free float of 1,000. So again, it's a low float stock, and total market cap is around 3,500 crores. And it is at the moment trading at PE of 30. So and it comes under the category of small cap. And with the revenue profile, which is also every this is a result which they have in crores, which is 498.57 crores in June quarter, and March was around 511 crores, and they have net profit margin of around 5.79 and 7. So, which is again, it could be based on the quarter. You have to look at the yearly margins, and shareholding pattern looks very interesting because 66.76% is promoter owned. So, with that, I hope you find this analysis very interesting and you will do further study on it. And I want to wrap up this video quickly. Before I wrap up, I would, if you're finding this information useful, do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell. My name is Shivendra Bhatia, and signing off here. Have a peaceful investing for the rest of the week ahead. See you for the next video. Bye bye.